why these data mining techniques are popular in terms of classification, regression, clustering, association,
Sir,
rule
sir, one
mining.
minute, 1 minute. In your recording, the mute is not unticked.
Yeah, I don't know. Now
The
my voice
current,
is audible.
yeah, I can listen your voice, but when you are saying the Windows Shift S, you forgot to press the audio.
Okay.
Audio is locked. Can you re-record, sir? Otherwise,
Yeah. Now it is recording in my system. I don't know, some problem is coming. It's okay.
okay,
So
okay.
data mining techniques are anomaly detection means in a network level, maybe local area network, wide area network and metropolitan area network, sometimes there are some vulnerabilities and some activities, some anomaly detection, some threats, some attackers attacking in the network level, so that we are applying machine and deep learning algorithms to predict and detect of the network. Such type of detection is called anomaly detection. Then we are going for regression analysis. We are predicting the future value based on the past value. Association rule mining is nothing but we are finding the frequent item set mining from the huge volume of transactions by applying a priori and FP growth algorithm. Then choice modeling, we are choosing one of the choice of classification, clustering, regression, outlier detection, recommender engine, association, rule mining. Then clustering analysis is one of the unsupervised learning, and clustering is a group of objects, that objects having similar behavior in the nature, and we are applying Euclidean distance for calculating the similarity measure. Then classification analysis, you know very well. Then rule induction is nothing but based on the Gini and the gain ratio, which attribute playing a vital role in a data set, and we are finding the best top 10 rules of association rule mining by using FP growth and association and a priori algorithm under rule induction. And neural networks is one of the best classification technique. At the minute level, we are extracting features and feature engineering concept we are performing on image and text and audio video by applying neural networks techniques. Then we are moving to next concept, data analysis using artificial neural networks. So ANN,
Sir, sorry to interrupt. Shall we begin this in the next class?
yeah, yeah,
Because
sure.